Hi guys, welcome back. It's time again for a new project. So I thought it'd be fun to get outside since it's really pretty weather and look around for some cool objects. This will be like a scavenger hunt, which means you just search. So we're going to look for the art elements and principles like line, shape, form, and you can just look around your house and find ordinary objects. Then what you're going to do is take a picture of those objects and title them one of the art elements or principles. And I've got plenty of examples for you, but I'm going to take you on my little tour. So follow me. So I'm starting right here on my patio, and I immediately found shape. Look at all these squares, a repetition of squares. It could be pattern, it could be geometric, which are shapes that have a rule. And oh my goodness, here's a mat right here that's got some really cool repetition or shape, the diamonds. Then I found this plant that's right around the corner, and it's a really pretty sago palm, but look at the lines that come out of it and how they create a unity in the picture. If I took this picture right here, it's just a creation of lines going all different ways. So I came in the house and I was looking for things, and oh, here's a form, and you'll recognize this as a sphere. Make sure you get it in focus before you take the picture. You can get as close as you can, and that would be a form. Just walk around the house and look for a little while, and you'll be able to find all kind of fun things. Oh, here's one right here. You might remember symmetry, and then there's radial symmetry where it starts from the center and comes out. You might be able to find a lot of things that are symmetrical. One of the most fun ones to find is all the weird lines there are. And you can see in this plant, there's curvy lines, which I love this plant so much. But then behind it, there are straight lines. Oop, I'm not getting real good focus there. But curvy lines are a fun one. Sometimes it's good to get really close up on things just to see all the different detail. And this one has a variety of different sizes, so this might be an example of variety. Okay guys, the world awaits you. You can go outside or you can go inside. Just have fun, find the objects, take the picture, make sure they're in focus, then send them to me, but make sure you title what you want me to see that it is, which art element. Line, shape, form, rhythm, unity, color. Have fun with it. 5 are all that you need to send me, and make sure you try to send it online on the classwork assignment. If you can't do that, then just send it to my email and I'll get it that way. Thanks so much. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with.